going to be making this very easy carnation flower. One of the simplest flowers to make, but can make such a big effect. In order to make this flower, we are going to use a sheet of kite or tissue paper, a chenille stem, paper clip, ruler, scissors, and a pencil. Let's get started. We're going to start by folding our paper on the long side. Now there already is a fold on the long side on the sheet of paper, and so I'm going to fold it one more time. So I'm going to get a long narrow strip, and my long narrow strip has 4 layers of paper. Okay, I'm going to use my ruler to measure 4 inches, and I'm going to measure 3 strips of 4 inches. So I am marking it at 4 inches, 8 inches, and of course 12 inches. Okay, now I'm going to cut my 3 strips as I have marked them. 1, 2, 3. I can set that aside, and in fact with one sheet of tissue paper you can make 2 carnations. Okay, so now I'm going to open my 3 strips. I'm going to set them one on top of the other. 1, 2, 3. And these are my 3 strips. Oh, just going to use my ruler to keep things from flying away. I'm going to come to the top here. I'm going to line everything up, and this is where I'm going to take my paper clip and secure those 3 strips together. Now I'm going to make sure that my 3 strips, yes, it could be a tongue twister, are all lined up. I'm going to start on this end, and I'm going to fold up about 1/2 inch. So folding all 3. Now I'm going to turn it over and fold the other way. If you've ever made a fan, you understand what I'm doing. Keep turning and folding the other way. And you realize mine is not perfect, but that's okay. We're going to fold our strip into 2. To mark the center point, we're going to take our chenille stem, and we're going to bring it down. Now you can use string as well instead of a chenille stem, and we're going to twist. Okay, going to twist that up like so, and now we're going to open the fan like so, and we're going to gently take apart the layers. I'm going to gently pull the first layer away. This is tissue paper, so you have to be very, very gentle with it. We're just pulling the first layer away from the other 2. Same thing with the other side. Okay, I'm going to find that very first layer, and we're going to pull it away from the other 2 layers. And we're just moving along very, very gently, pulling. Okay, now that we have finished that first layer, we're going to be moving to the second layer, and we're going to work at the back now, pulling that second and third layer apart. The bottom piece will be flat, and now you can see the top piece we've already made our flower. You can continue to fluff it a little bit, but our flower is already made. I hope you have fun making this flower. Remember, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel below.